Now, Storm Watch 12 weather with meteorologist Josh Culbreth.
Well, we are seeing some more blue skies over Chiloquin. This view coming from the Clemoya Casino, or near Chiloquin, I should say, as we're seeing some of those cirrocumulus clouds over the skies there on the east side. It's 46 degrees, so it's shaping up to be a very pleasant day. We are in the 40s on the east side, almost getting up to 50 degrees already in Lakeview. We are seeing 50s throughout Siskiyou County. And see, I told you, I said earlier in the show that by the end of the show, we'd probably touch 50 degrees in the Rogue Valley. And look at how smart I am. 52 degrees for Grants Pass, 53 degrees there for Brookings. Here is today's hiking planner. It's going to be a great day to get out there and hit the trails. We'll have temperatures that will rival 70 degrees. Plenty of sunshine a little bit later in the day. So the clouds you're seeing right now are going to be a little bit less abundant as we get deeper into the afternoon. The only hazard because of that will be the hazard for a sunburn, so just be sure that you are applying the sunscreen liberally today. Here is your forecast along the coast for today. I think all of us will stay below 60 degrees and it'll feel a little bit more brisk than what these numbers would otherwise suggest, because we will have a pretty consistent wind coming out of the north, gusting up to 20 miles per hour. We're already seeing some of those wind gusts on the order of 15 to 20 miles per hour up towards Gold Beach. Down in Siskiyou County, not dealing with those winds. Winds pretty light today, and those temperatures are going to get up there, especially compared to yesterday, and especially in the Sayad Valley, where I think we're going to exceed 70 degrees by a pretty substantial clip. In the Shasta Valley, we'll probably just be stuck in the middle to upper 60s. Then over on the east side, I think most of us are probably in the 60s as well. Low to middle 60s, 62 for Lakeview, 64 degrees for Bly. Lots of sunshine, and we were seeing that near Chiloquin from the Clemoya Casino. And then up in the mountains, a couple days ago, we had a hard time even making it above freezing in Crater Lake, but today well above freezing by about 16 degrees. And then in the foothills, we're going to get into the low 60s. Plenty of sunshine there, and plenty of sunshine within the Rogue Valley. Earlier, we were taking a look at that view from Grants Pass from the Tap Rock Northwest Grill. Just crystal clear blue skies there. So maybe we overcooked it a little bit with the cloud coverage. So we will see how that pans out throughout the course of the day. And then overnight, those clouds will really begin to clear out. But we thankfully aren't going to be as cold as what we were seeing this morning, but still pretty cold, below freezing on the east side, in the 30s for the west side valleys, and 40 degrees there along the coast. Those breezy conditions along the coast will no longer be confined, because overnight they're going to start spreading down into Siskiyou County over to the east side and up in the Cascades. Those winds could gust anywhere between 20 to 30 miles per hour. Here is your weekend forecast for the Oregon coastline. A tale of 2 days. Saturday, dry, temperatures in the 60s, very pleasant. We will see some breezy conditions. And then on Sunday, those clouds begin to build in, and we could see a few showers during the evening. But that rain, let me tell you, it's going to become a lot more abundant as we head into Monday. Rain chances looking almost certain for Monday. It looks like it's going to be a widespread rain event. And then in the wake of that, we'll have some cooler temperatures, but not for very long. We almost touch 80 degrees as we get into the middle and later portions of next week. Here is your 7-day forecast along the coast. We've already touched on what's going to happen there for the weekend. And then after that, temperatures getting into the mid-60s. Lots of sunshine there. For Siskiyou County, winds will start picking up on Sunday. It'll be very windy for Monday. Showers looking pretty likely for Northern California. And then for the basin, rain is also looking pretty likely. Snow could be in the equation too, as snow levels will be down to around 4,000 to 5,000 feet. It will get very windy on the east side, though. I wouldn't be surprised if we had some sort of wind advisory issued for the exposed higher terrain of Klamath and Lake counties. Up in the mountains, also getting pretty windy. Snow looking like, I don't want to say a guarantee, but it's looking very likely, with, again, snow levels being anywhere between 4,000 to 5,000 feet. And then for the Rogue Valley, a beautiful end to the work week. Saturday and Sunday looking gorgeous, and things getting a little wetter, a little cooler, and a little windier as we get into Monday.
And then a little warmer as we get into the rest of the week.
A little hotter, I think. 80 degrees, not too shabby.
You're pulling out the hot word. You didn't say it this morning.
No, I finally pulled the trigger on it.
Yeah, well, 80 is hot. I mean, and compared to 57, 58, it's going to feel hot.
I would agree. Yeah,
but we'll take it. Definitely we'll take it. Thanks, Josh.
Of course.